Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Boss. Did you know that faceless videos are dominating social media right now, racking up millions of views without ever showing a real person on screen? Whether it's viral facts, captivating stories, or business content, faceless videos aren't just a trend, they're a proven way to reach more people. And the best part, you don't need to be a video editor or animator to make them. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional, cinematic-style faceless videos using a powerful AI tool called Clipwise.ai. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and super versatile. The link is in the description. Let's get started. First, click the link below and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard. Clipwise offers several content types: viral faceless videos, Reddit-style storytelling, quiz content, ads, and business videos. Everything is automated, so no editing or software is needed. Let's start with a viral faceless video. Begin by typing your video prompt, like amazing animal facts or habits of successful people. You can also paste a link to a script or article. After that, pick your language. Clipwise supports English, Arabic, Hindi, French, Korean, and many more. Then set your video length: 30, 45, 60, or 90 seconds. Next, choose your tone and style: formal, casual, explainer, or storytelling, and select your target audience. You'll then choose your visual theme: cinematic, children's book style, or even the trendy Ghibli look. Once you're happy with the settings, click Generate.
This is a quick audio test to check clarity and tone.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
Now you'll choose a voiceover. Select the gender, tone, and age of the narrator. You can also pick a video avatar. Clipwise will generate a script for you. Review and edit it if needed, or regenerate it. You can also replace the visuals or upload your own for full customization. Click Next once ready.
Imagine a world where work adapts to you.
Now let's fine-tune it with background music and captions. Choose a soundtrack from the built-in library, adjust volume, and add transitions. Then set up your captions, select font, text color, and on-screen position. Click Generate, and your video will be ready in seconds.
Imagine a world where work adapts to you, blending cutting-edge tech with human creativity for a new era of innovation. AI empowers us to focus on what matters: creativity, problem-solving, and connection with colleagues worldwide, anytime. The future of work is yours to shape, flexible, inclusive, and driven by purpose and passion. Embrace the change.
But that's not all. Clipwise also lets you make interactive quiz videos. These are great for educational content, challenges, or engagement posts. To create one, start with your quiz topic, like science facts or guess the country. Then choose your language and decide the number of questions and MCQ options per question. Usually 3 or 4 works well. Next, choose a visual theme, just like before. Then select your voiceover. Match the tone to your quiz style.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and
I just love talking about movies, TV shows.
Add background music.
Ready to see how much you know about business? Let's dive in and discuss.
Adjust the volume and apply transitions if you like. Customize your caption settings, font, color, and position. Add a final video overlay, then click Generate. Your quiz video will be ready in no time. And that's it.
Ready to see how much you know about business? Let's dive in and discover if you're truly a business expert. Segment 2. What financial statement reports a company's revenues and expenses over a specific period? Choose the best answer carefully. Segment 3. What term describes the total market value of all finished goods and services produced within a country in a year? Time to pick the right concept.
With Clipwise.ai, you can create amazing faceless content, whether it's viral videos, quizzes, stories, or professional business promos, without touching a video editor. It's all automated, customizable, and super easy. Try it out using the link in the description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on the best AI tools for creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.